Good morning, everybody. As we're continuing our launch of the Worthy Educator and getting a lot of input from our core group of leaders and from members who are beginning to participate in the community, we continue to add enhancements and expand ideas so we can really serve educators where they have needs and interests. One example of that recently, through a meeting with some of our champions, was a suggestion to add a Padlet to our Worthy Educator website. And so we worked on that. As you can see on the shared screen, we now have the Padlet added to the Worthy Educator site. It's embedded in the site itself so that you have immediate access without having to go to the separate Padlet address. And at the bottom, if you want to go break out to the actual Padlet site and see our Padlet on the Padlet.com site, you have the option to do that too. We built the Padlet on those principles of educator efficacy that we announced in July. And so as you look across the top of the Padlet, you see crafting a vision, demonstrating impact, leadership, dignity, integrity, and respect for educators, fueling our passion for the work, supports and resources. And as we continue to go over, let me scroll a little for you. Supports and resources, self-care and wellness, and risk-taking and innovation. And of course, the last being holding ourselves and each other accountable. So since our focus in August is on wellness, if you come into the Padlet and you look at our self-care and wellness column, you'll see a wealth of resources that we've been sharing out this month. Some original content that the Worthy Educator is going to be known for, and some resources from well-established, respected organizations in education and in the marketplace who do research in education and provide relevant data on how we're taking care of ourselves, what's available to educators, what the trends are, what the future looks like. And so for those of you who know Padlet, we know it's been around a while. It's a place where you not only can come and grab resources like these, but you can also add resources. So it's a way to help build out the community through you at the grassroots level. We do not just want to be a purveyor of content where you come to us for what we offer you. We want you to interact with us and add value by adding your own resources under each of these categories. So take advantage of our Padlet. We're excited to add it and offer it and create another dimension of interactivity and community-paced leadership for the Worthy Educator. As you have questions, please don't hesitate to let us know. We're always looking for feedback. Hopefully you're having a wonderful August, getting ready for the new school year, and we hope that Padlet will be a way that you are able to share and benefit from the work we're doing on behalf of you at the Worthy Educator.